Aloha. Pepperjack cat daughter is way up in the tree. She was trying to go after miner birds, but they're too smart and fast for her. So there she is, climbing around. Is she gonna come down? Looks like she's coming down. She's a good climber. Pepperjack cat daughter in the tree where she likes to be. Another beautiful day in Maui, Hawaii. No clouds, just blue sky. A Pepperjack daughter says, please remember to like, as it helps our channel. She comes down, boom, and there she goes. Okay, mahalo and aloha. Another beautiful day.